Let me ask you something. The collective YouTube viewers, this channel, KevCentral, spends a lot of time reviewing, upgrading, and riding bikes. And recently, I've discovered the awesomeness that is trail rides at night. I've been wanting to share that experience with you in all of its glory. The problem is, and this is where I need your help, I can't get any smooth footage with a GoPro at night. What's odd is I look around the internet, specifically YouTube, where GoPro themselves, on their channel, they show a guy bombing down a trail at breakneck speed, and it's as smooth as can be. So why does his footage with roughly the same cameras work at night, but when I film at night, GoPro Stabilization on boost, it's blur and rattle city. So bad that the footage you are seeing here, this is the best that I can get. And I've ran this through Final Cut Pro, and I've peaked its capabilities for stabilization and rolling shutter, and this is the result. If this is the best on arguably some of the smoothest section of trails out at Wildwood, I can't even show you the other because just scrubbing through the footage, trying to see what I would need to edit, well, it started feeling not so good. And this is the GoPro again at max stabilization, Final Cut Pro, doing even more, and some extra help here. I have the dropper post down, I have my legs crouched like I'm riding downhill, I'm trying everything to keep the camera stable. I'm basically a human gimbal at this point, and this is the result. The best that I can get with the GoPro at night. And also, I did search online and I found that people were saying put it in ISO 400 and a couple of other settings. I've tried those in my 3 night rides and it doesn't seem to make any difference. And as far as light output, I have so many lights on my bike. I mean, look, I'm lighting up everything. Any more lights and I'm scared the riders in front of me are going to get radiation burns. So I don't see a lack of light as being the cause for this, though I do not light up the horizon. Image stabilization on a GoPro from my other reading said that it really needs a horizon to be visible for it to work. Obviously, that's not possible at night. So that begs the question and compounds my confusion. How are people getting smooth footage on their GoPro if they're just using the GoPro at night? It's also worth mentioning that I have done my own selective polling of the few people I know that have ridden at night and tried to film it with the GoPro, and they all came back with the same result. Yeah, the footage is bad. So here I am today asking you, do you have any tips? If so, please share them in the comments section. Or do you have the same problem when filming in low light with the GoPro? Share that so I can gauge what I'm up against. Because surely GoPro's video isn't doctored in any way, right? I mean, that wouldn't be right. At least I don't think so. Share your comments, your opinions. I want to put out the best night ride video I can. You deserve it. You deserve the good footage to share in the fun, and there's so much fun. We were surrounded at one point by 7 deer. By the way, bike lights up against deer at night. Glowy eyes, lots and lots of glowy eyes. That's today's video. Comment below, thumbs up, subscribe, all the usual. Thanks in advance, and have a great day.